Yo, I swear, every time I do a gray, like, I just feel like I look like a ghost. Like, y'all are brave to be wearing these, like. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a try-on haul, but this is not a fashion try-on haul. This is a contact lens try-on haul. No, today's video is sponsored by Mirage Color Contacts. So they sent me 4 different contact colors, and I'll show you guys the 4 different contact colors. Actually, they're Abeecons. Sorry, I don't know why I said that. I think they're the same company, but it's Abeecons. So what they sent to me is some containers where you can put your contacts in when you're done wearing them and store them away properly. And these are the 4 different colors that they sent to me. So this is how they're looking in the box, and I'm just gonna try each of them on so you guys can see how they look. So let me just open up the first one to show you guys. I'm gonna start with green. I've never done green contact before. I'm gonna show you how it comes. So it comes like this in this container. I'm just gonna zoom up so you guys can see. And guys, don't mind my hair, I'm about to fix it properly just now. Yeah, but that's that. I'm actually trying to finish this video by 1 o'clock, so let's see how that works. Oh, so they sent me 2 tools. So this is to take out the contact. This is like the rubbery end of it. There's a rubbery end on it, so use it to pretty much take out the contact. And this is what you use to place the contacts in. Honestly guys, I'm not a real big fan of contacts. I've never actually known how to put it on properly. It's always I always have problems putting them in. So back in those times when color contacts were like a thing, I never usually actually do it because I just couldn't do it. But I'm just gonna open this and then put them in so you guys could see how they look on my eyes. So this is how it's looking, and I'm going to put it on the top part of this so that it stay like that. And let's try this. I hate putting on contacts, like, I swear. Okay, it was a minute to put in. I'm not gonna tell. Whoa. So it took a minute to get in, but now that it's in, like, it's not bothering my eyes or anything, like, it's fine. But getting it in was a hassle. I'm gonna put the next one in. I don't know, maybe I'll wear a contact today. This one is not bad still. This one's not bad. I'm gonna see how it both looks to see which one I'm actually going to wear today. Okay, so this is the color. What is this color called? Where is it? It's a green one. What's the name of it? Okay, so it's called Vision Green on their website, but this is how it's looking. I knew not to try these on with makeup. The last time I did it with makeup, it was a total waste because all of my makeup was like messed up under my eyes. because of my eyes watering. So I decided that for this one I was not going to put any makeup on. Like, I don't care. But yeah, this is the first one, and this color is Vision Green. I don't know how I feel about this. Okay, and taking them out is the best part. What I normally do is the water that's in here, I try to put it inside the container. So like the remaining water, I put it inside the container so then it can keep my contacts moisturized. So I just empty whatever that's left inside the container. Oh shit, don't throw away. Like so. And then to take them out, you simply just go with the rubbery end and just pretty much just take it out. And that's it. And there you have it, all stored and packed away. And they're reusable, so you could reuse them for next time. So that's it for like the green, and that's it for taking them out and putting them in. Now I'm just going to go ahead and show you how the different colors look. So I'm gonna try on the last three, and then that is it. And each time I try them on, I'm gonna tell you guys what's the name of the color. So like, yeah. So this one that I'm trying on is called Neela Brown. And just for time purposes, I'm just gonna show you how they look in the eyes. I'm not gonna show you how I put them in because I already did that with the first one. This time it's just show you guys how it looks in the eyes. Yeah. So this one is Luna Blue. I decided to do the blue before the brown. So this is called Luna Blue, and this is how it's looking. And guys, my eyes are going to look like it's watering because I'm like playing around my eyes. But yeah, this is how the blue is looking. I don't really like blue contacts on me. I just feel like it's not for my skin tone. I don't know. I never actually like blue contacts on me. I rather go with the neutral colors, so like a brown. I don't know. It's just not for me. But this is the blue. If you want to get the blue ones, this is how they look on my skin tone. And yeah. Yo, I swear, every time I do a gray, like, I just feel like I look like a ghost. Like, y'all are brave to be wearing these. Like, no, for my skin tone, I won't do this still. This even worse than the blue. But this is the gray. This one is called Seetha Gray. So it's just Seetha Gray, and this is how it's looking. Like I said, I don't know, I haven't really been a huge fan on colored contacts. I just don't feel like I would run with any colors. Like, I have to literally find a color that suits my eyes, and for now I feel like the only color that I have done that I've seen that really suits my eye is like a brownish color. So yeah, this is yeah. So guys, I just want to show you one last time how I put them in, because I feel like whenever I'm not on camera it goes in one go, but whenever I'm on camera, all of a sudden everything wants to, like, it wants to be a whole problem. So I'm gonna try putting it on camera, and I just did this and it was a one go, like boom 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 in my eyes. So let's see if it does the same thing right now. Let's see. But because every time I'm on camera it gives me their problems, and when I'm not on camera it doesn't go in properly. So let's see. So what I do, I put it like under like the corners, like either this corner or that corner, and then just look around and then it just falls in place, if that makes sense. So yeah. And then the water that was in between the contacts, it's gonna run out. So this is not really tear, it's just like the water thing that the contact was stored in before it actually came out, it's inside the contact as well. So when it's like the water is inside the contact, so when you put it to your skin, the water drains out, or to your eyes I should say, the water drains out, so then your eyes automatically get watery. But this is how this one is looking, and this one is called Nila Brown. This one I would wear because it's not so much like off my natural eye color. Like this one is wearable. I would wear this one and not really be freaked out like, oh my gosh, do you see my eye colors? Yeah, I like this one, and this is called the Nila Brown. So yeah, this is it for this video. I would like to thank, honestly, on the package it's Abeecons and Just4kira. Just4kira / Abeecons. I would like to thank them for sending me these contacts and for sponsoring this video. I had fun doing it because it allows me to see how I would look with different eye colors. But like I said, I would probably just stick to like these neutral colors. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The links to everything will be down in the description box. This was a quick little video, nothing too stressful, nothing too long. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.